A revision has been made to 110.21 B1 that states, where caution, warning, or danger hazard markings, such as labels or signs, are required by this code, the markings shall meet the following requirements. The marking shall be of sufficient durability to withstand the environment involved, and warn of the hazards, using effective words, colors, symbols, or any combination thereof. Informational Note Number 1 states that, see ANSI, Z535.2, 2011, R2017, Environmental and Facility Safety Signs, which describes the design, application, and use of safety signs in facilities and in the environment. Informational Note Number 2 states that, see ANSI, Z535.4, 2011, R2017, Product Safety Signs and Labels, which details the design, application, use, and placement of safety signs and labels on a wide variety of products. The marking shall be permanently affixed to the equipment or wiring method, and shall not be handwritten. Exception to 2 states that portions of the markings that are variable, or that could be subject to changes, shall be permitted to be handwritten, and shall be legible. The phrase, markings, such as labels or signs, was added to recognize that labels and signs are ways to meet the marking requirements in 110.21, and reorganized for consistency. The text of the existing informational note was removed, as it appears twice, and new informational note 1 was added, with the reference to ANSI, Z535.2, 2011, R2017, which describes the design, application, and use of safety signs in facilities and in the environment. The term provides guidelines was removed from the informational note and replaced with details, since the style manual does not allow requirements in an informational note. The changes better organize and provide more clarity to the section. A revision has been made to clarify that the phrase, markings, such as labels or signs, be added to recognize that labels and signs are a method to meet the marking requirements in 110.21. A new informational note 1 was added to reference ANSI, Z535, that pertains to environmental and facility safety signs, which describes the design, application, and use of safety signs in facilities and in the environment. In the existing information note, the term provides guidelines was removed and replaced with details, since the style manual does not allow requirements in an informational note.